Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on Google Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, so we need to open up our WhatsApp. Now, we need to open up the settings, click on those three dots in the top right corner and click on the settings. Now find the chats. Now, chat backup. And let's begin with discussing a few things. So let's begin with the Google account. As you can see, in my case, this Google account is currently selected. And it means that on that Google account, our backup will be saved and stored. So if you want to restore the chats in the future, you will need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here. It is really important. So don't forget password to your account and don't forget the mail itself. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but you can select it on daily, weekly, monthly or only when it's set backup. In my case, I have set it on the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. So it's a pretty comfortable feature. You can also pick the option that you want. And next thing is option to include the videos in our backup. It is really useful. So I'll keep it enabled. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore the chats. But be aware that if you lose that password, you won't be able to restore the chats. But it's not necessary to create a backup. Once everything is selected, simply click on the backup button. Now the process will start. Okay, and that's all. Now our backup has been successfully made and it's stored in the Google Cloud. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.